So we decided on getting the Bambu because this was an easier, like, plug and play. All the reviews said this, you really don't need to be an expert. You can really just download the app and from your phone or from your computer, find what you want to print, design, all the things, and it's super easy and user friendly. So hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we are checking out this Bambu 3D printer. This was, my brother bought this for his daughters for Christmas, and so we're getting a sneak peek. I just wanted, this is an unboxing to kind of show you what it looks like. You can see here it was packaged so nicely, and so everything was great. Didn't have to worry about that. So let's check how it comes, and we will get this set up on a second video. So let's check it out. Now, when you get the box, these sides are taped to the side of the box to help you lift out the printer out of the box, because there's really nothing on the side to grip it. So you just pull it up from the plastic, and this is really heavy duty, which I thought was pretty smart. So my brother's family decided to get this for their family gift because they've got some young kids, an 8-year-old daughter and a 12-year-old autistic daughter. And they're hoping that this can be a great activity for them to create and develop their own toys and sensory objects and things like that in a fun way. So let's get all the plastic off. Okay, up here at the top, you've got your printer, instruction booklet, and lots of fun stickers as well. Here at the top, you've got cardboard, a space. Okay, so now that we have it unwrapped, let's see what's inside. Okay, you got the printer head. We'll unwrap this and get it set up. You've got lots of space in here. You got some extra styrofoam in there to pull out. The casing is so nice and sturdy, heavy duty. All the plugs, places and plugs, fans, you definitely want to have some air circulation set up around the back so that it doesn't overheat. But really nice casing, awesome construction, all the connections. That has a nice magnetic shut. And the glass top as well. Okay, let's look in the accessory box. Okay, got a spool, your controller that's going to plug in right here and mount, spool holder, hose. Okay, the little tools and little pieces needed for getting everything hooked up. This is going to be so much fun for the family. We hope this has been helpful so you know what you're going to get, and happy creating.